What is up, guys? Whoa, I got a beard. What? So, I got out of the army like a month ago. Left Texas, moved back to Wisconsin. I know a lot has changed, and I really apologize for not uploading in so long. But yeah, my engine took a shit. So I bought a new one. It's JDM GE out of an Aristo. Throw all my turbo shit on it, and yeah, we're getting pretty close to getting it running again. Putting everything together. Got to put the drive shaft back in and shit like that. But yeah, check up with you guys in a minute. What is up again, guys? So I realize I'm a terrible YouTuber, and I finished the engine. And I got the car running without updating you guys. I apologize. Things have been crazy, but it's in there. Let's take a better look. So, as you can tell, all the markings from Japan, well, when it came through customs and whatever, I guess the mileage and blah, blah, blah. New turbo. It's a T04E from CX Racing. It's not a CX Racing manifold though, that's just an eBay manifold. But yeah, so I got that, got the filter on it finally. This engine is like overall way cleaner than the old one. Very, very clean. That engine is just disgustingly dirty. But I also lived in Texas, so that doesn't help. In El Paso, which is desert. But yeah, still got the Mishimoto radiator, Mishimoto fans, Mishimoto overflow. I'm going to still hook up my catch can for right there. But yeah, it's got a slight miss, so I actually ordered some spark plugs and they just came in. Yeah, it's in this little right here package, so yeah, let's see. Okay. Boom. Let's get these suckers gapped and get this thing going. So, spark plugs are gapped to 0.28, which is supposedly the recommended gap for boosted applications. And I've also been told that the BK7 REs are like the best plugs. BKR 70, I'm sorry, I am retarded. But told they're really, really good for boosted 2Js. So let's go ahead and get this manifold off because I hate these over the top fucking bullshit ass. God damn it. Fuck these things. Because you gotta take all this shit off to get those damn spark plugs out. But let's do it. Just like that, we got the manifold off. Well, part of the manifold. This part doesn't have to come off. But as you can see, that normally goes right over the top of everything. And to get the spark plugs, you have to remove it. So we'll go ahead, take these out, put the new ones in, and then put it back together. Alright, so got the old plugs out. These are very interesting, but they're BKR5E KPB. I've never seen those before. I'm assuming these are the same plugs that were in it in Japan. But those are very interesting looking. But yes, there was quite a bit of oil on top of the plugs. Not down here. I mean, obviously it got in there when I put the plugs out, but I made sure I cleaned it up real good, and I've already put the new ones in. And yeah, about to put the manifold back on, so we'll see how she fires up in a minute. So, I've also seen a couple of videos where dudes will cut part of this out, and so you can see the cam gears. I think it looks pretty damn cool. So I'm gonna give it a shot for myself. actually came out pretty good. What I'm gonna do though is I'm going to grab this rotary sander and give her a little smooth down. So we'll do that. So I'm actually pretty happy with that. Came out pretty nice. So I guess we will see how she looks. She sits like this. Gets down. Oh hell yeah! I like that a lot. Pretty sick. All right, so unless I missed something, which I don't believe I did, put that together. That actually looks really good. I like that a lot. It'd be nice if I could get something clear to make the same shape that was there, but instead of the black, so it's clear so you can see through it. But it is what it is for now. It'll work, and I like the way it looks. So I guess let's see if she fires up. I don't think I forgot anything, so it should run. I mean, it ran before, but you know. Pretty damn good to me. Yeah, my dash looks like a Christmas tree, but I don't care because it is a drift car. I need to get that rust off of that wheel, or that gear, I should say. But it looks pretty good to me. Wasting too. Take it for a little drive. So yeah, guys, that it did have a little slight breaking up issue with the old plugs, and now with the new plugs, it's like a, oh man, it's a night and day difference. So good. I do need to adjust my idle a little bit. The idle or the throttle bracket is actually like loose almost, not loose, but it moves. Other than idle, it runs freaking amazing. Woo, buddy! This thing fucking moves, dude. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so I hope you can hear me over my fans and my loud shit, but I did screw with the idle. That right there, my bracket's a little goofy, it's kind of crooked and wonky, but I did get it to idle good, so that's awesome. Yeah. So, it's really humid here in Wisconsin right now. I'm sweating my ass off. But I should be taking this car to Shawano, to US Air, and I should be drifting at the Club FR Jam for 2018. I did get a spot for Saturday the 1st, so if you guys are in the area or want to come hang out with me and my homies at the track, yeah, by all means feel free to come, and it's like $10 a spectator, and bring a helmet if you got one. You can catch a ride with me in the car on the track, and we'll have a sick time. So I guess I'll end this video here. Thank you guys for watching, and again, I really apologize. It's been really long since I've been able to upload, and I'm just now finding ways to get internet and actually upload, because my phone doesn't like to upload to YouTube for whatever reason when I'm not on Wi-Fi. So, and yeah, also this is my cell phone. It's an iPhone 8 Plus, which, I mean, I love it. The camera's super clear. Yeah, I don't use your phone for YouTube, blah, blah, blah. I don't really care. So if you got a comment about that, send me a freaking camera then. But otherwise, yeah, again, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.